Good morning, everybody. You guys hear me? Tuesday morning traders. Let's get into today. Going to be about a 10 or 15 minute stream here. Going to go over the best, highest probability setups, as I like to say, the pocket aces. We're going to go over the pocket aces today, traders. Let's get into today, though. What did we see yesterday? First of all, Echo. Try to fix that real quick. What about now? What about now? There we go. That should be better. Is that good to go? Testing 1, 2, 3. Top quality cabinets. Volatility. Rimus. There you go. All right, cool. Okay, traders. Let's go ahead and start going over today the pocket aces, as I like to call them. But first of all, traders, I've talked to some of you, and we all have our own little problems training, right? Mine is I take my winners too soon. Some of you, it might be not cutting your losses quickly or revenge trading, over trading. The point is, you might have a problem with that area, but that problem doesn't necessarily have you. And so that means you're able to fix it. The point is, accept responsibility for it. Understand that you're in control of the problem. Problem's not in control of you. Really refine it. Sharpen that on up, and you guys will be good to go no matter the flaw. The point is, what I struggle with, what you struggle with, it's all going to be different. It's all going to be completely different. Just focus on your weaknesses and strengths, and you guys will be good to go. Nate Morrison, good morning to you. Sounds good. All right. Volatility, yes, sir. Pocket aces. So this morning, let's go over the best setups. ATAI, didn't you guys take that yesterday? We nailed that. So when FCSC failed, guess what took off? ATAI. Went straight over that yesterday. ATAI is definitely not out of question today either. It's got nice 250 support on it and the 350 resistance. And the psychology of that, is just on Mondays, people would like to see the dust settle. That was yesterday. FCFC was our leading gapper. Most likely that one was going to fail, and my job is saying, okay, which ticker is going to be the next to get the volume? And most traders go to what has worked versus just trying to figure out something else to work. And ATAI has been working the last week in the penny stock world, so it wasn't really a coincidence that if FCFC failed, this one was going to get some volume. It did, came right up to 350, which you see all these upper shadows here, served as really nice resistance on it. We're having a pullback now, kind of consolidating mid-range here. Risk reward on it's pretty much a 1-to-1 here. Getting it 50 cents off of 250 or 50 cents off of its resistance. Either way, but ATI, wanted to go over that, help you guys with the psychology of that. Top quality. Revenge trading, occasional loss of mind results in gamble. I'm testing all the weaknesses out there, which is good. And you want to do that with, it's good because no one can avoid them. You cannot avoid learning your own weaknesses. But the point is, just like working out, for instance, I went and hit golf balls yesterday, and this morning I woke up and my back is sore. I'm like a 70-year-old man in a 25-year-old's body. You get the weakness out of you. The weakness begins to leave your body, and you feel it. And same thing with trading. The weakness is going to leave as you continue to trade. But the point of it is, do it with small share size. Do it with a smaller account. Most people blow up and they just quit trading because they open up, they wait till they have a lot of money, they blow it up, and then what? They don't have any money left. You would have guessed 36. I'm actually 24. My birthday's coming on up. I'll send you guys my address so you can send me some gifts. Kidding. All right, let's continue down the list, traders. 36, really? And someone commented on that video I did with my wife, and they said, "Is she 16?" No, I do not live. That's appropriate in some countries, the countries where you're trading camels for women, but not in America. She's 24. She is 24, so I got lucky. AD&T, this one. AD&T, I'm really looking forward to trading AD&T. This one, again, a little bit of a gap up this morning. As well, had a strong day yesterday, strong squeeze on it. And pulling up the 3-year chart here, we got resistance marked right at $25, which it tried to test yesterday. We see a little upper shadow on it on the daily yesterday. It came right up to $25. Tough resistance there. That is going to be my risk on AD&T. This one has had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I mean, so many red days, or so many green days in a row. Again, really overextended. It's over an 80 on the RSI. So this one has room to come on down. But the thing is, the chart, the daily chart, I mean, it's strong. It's very bullish. That's why you got to respect your risk on it. Sitting right there at 23.70 now. You guys know I love it near resistance. I want to get this near resistance. I don't want to be getting into a stock $1.30 off of where I'm risking. So we'll see how it opens on up. I think there is good potential to have its first red day today. If not, it is just let's respect our risk on it. It does have potential to keep climbing, but it has all. It has the recipe to have a red day today. It's had green day after green day after green day, a squeeze overextension yesterday, very high on the RSI, coming up to resistance. So that's what I'm looking at. I really like AD&T. RNN is gapping up this morning. SSR is turned on, short sale restriction there on RNN. They have a collaboration and license agreement with BioSense in Greater China. On RNN. This is going to be an avoid trade for me. RNN, it's a lower flow. It does have a past chart history of ripping, but it also has a past chart history of just, this is like a bouncy ball. You bounce it, comes up, bounce it again, a lower high, bounce it again, another lower high. So just lower high after lower high until this thing doesn't have any room to have another lower high, and then it just goes to the pink sheets or OTC market. So RNN likely can get a pump on it. I got some support and resistance marked off here. If you guys are interested in trading it, 775 is going to be support, and then we got these 1025. Going to be some resistance there on it. Break at $10, 1050. So yeah, this one does have room to move up to $10. It doesn't. I don't see any resistance ahead of it right now. Not going to be a trade. I'm going to be taken. I like the easier stuff. Okay, so that's RNN, AD&T. If you guys are interested, this one's our. So I put KMDA on my watch list earlier this morning for a backside play. It's been fading off quite strong. If this one opens up, the higher the better on KMDA for a backside fade. This one's already been fading off quite a bit here, though. The Underdog, good morning to you. Good morning to you. So that's KMDA, higher better for backside there. RWLK, that one getting a little gap up this morning. They announced the first personal exoskeleton provided to Cigna beneficiary on RWLK. Let's see where that one's at right now. Yeah, that one's already starting to fade. That's not a stock. That's going to have so many bags in it. So many bags. It's sitting at lows, has a lot of resistance on it. You notice on any pop, this one's getting heavily sold into. Hi ho, good morning to you. So RWLK, not a trade I'm going to take. I don't have any shorts there. I'm going to be avoiding that one. Also, if you guys have shorts on it, FCSC is not a bad option for backside play today. Yesterday, that was our leading gapper. But, always looking at the past chart history on these. So let's take a look at FCSC. Last time this thing had a spike, guess what it did? About 328. Yesterday, where did it land? About 325. That's why you always look at the past chart history, Trash. Sneeze. So yeah, two very nice upper shadows. The last few weeks got pumped up to these areas. Came right back on down. Last time this thing had this upper shadow, though. It consolidated for a few days before it really started dropping on off. So that's something I would keep in mind. If you are trading FCSC on the short side, I'd be probably risking off of 254, which is the previous close on it, and understanding what it did last time, that it started selling on off. Another one I'm watching this morning, WTW. I have shorts there. This is not an overextended play. This one's actually at lows, but had a lot of range yesterday on it. Nice range on it yesterday. So going to see if we can get a spike here at the start of the day around resistance here around 1925. Let's see how it's going to react around those levels for more backside WTW. But AD&T, that's my favorite play going into today. This one is the highest probability setup in my opinion. Can it give more? Yeah, it can. I mean, Garage Day Trader. Thank you so much, man. Really appreciate that. GDT in the building. What am I supposed to do? Am I supposed to go take a shot or something? 9:10 in the morning. Each $5 that's given my way, I'll go take a shot. How about that? I'm kidding. Thank you, GDT. Guys, go watch GDT's video yesterday. Both his trades, he took double the share size accidentally. Ended up being really good. So GDT's, man, you've had like a month straight of consistency. He's been absolutely killing it. And what I love about it is GDT's been focusing kind of on the parabolic plays. I've been focusing more on the hangovers. So, for instance, AD&T today, more of the hangover type of play, coming up to resistance, overextended. Been playing overextended into resistance. GDT's been playing the parabolics. And you guys been seeing over the last month, both of us have had over 90% consistency. And so, yeah, GDT's video was a great video. I agree, Jay Towers. Thank you, GDT, for the $5. Very much appreciate it. So I might not trade today, so I'll be profitable on the day. $5 might make me profitable on the day. Yeah, he plays the high stuff. Yep. So traders, let's go ahead and narrow that down real quick, just so you guys are prepared. Some of you are just now rolling out of bed. That's not my back cracking, by the way. This chair is... It's a Serta chair. Tim, I'm not refusing to mention you. I'm not refusing. Volatility trading. Still a 36-year-old with a 24-year-old rocking the trade. Negative with YouTube commissions. Yeah, YouTube taking half our paycheck. So let's narrow down that list real quick, traders, and then we will goof off for a few more minutes and then get into the trading day to day. Gonna roll through these, all right? So AD&T, if you guys weren't here, this is my favorite one. Chart set up, overextended, coming up to $25 resistance on it. Had a little upper shadow there around that $25 area. Heyo, I'm on DOS, but a lot of us in ISW are on Sterling as well. They're both, perfectly great choices. If you have any questions there, hit me up with an email. Happy to help you guys out. As far as, getting you guys over at ISW, GDT and I have both been using the scanners and have both been doing very well the last month. I think you guys can see that. So if you guys want the scanners, it's going to be 30% off in the description below. And we hit either one of us up. We are very happy to help you guys out. Or if you guys want to go to CMAG as well, affiliated over there with them too. So $25 is going to be tough resistance, AD&T. This is what I'm going to be focusing on there. And then RNN is probably our pump candidate this morning. SSR is turned on. Let me check that really quick. Jerry with the $2. Woo, baby! Getting me hype. Ugh. getting me hype. What am I gotta start dancing for you guys. What I need the tip train in the town. All right, next dono that comes in, I'm taking a shot. $7. All right, thank you, Jay. You guys are getting me all pumped up. I might be doing these live streams more often. How about that? All right, and then WTW, looking for that for higher the better there, as well as KMDA. KMDA, if we can get that up towards around 675, 680, risking off of the $7 pre-market high there. KMDA is going to be higher the better. ATAI, that's sitting kind of mid-range there, between 250, 350. But yeah, I'll have RNN on its own monitor because in Pennyland, just like the SPY is to the larger caps in the Pennyland, where all the volume is. And that's exactly how I called ATAI yesterday. You guys will be able to do the same as well. The longer you watch these every single day, the easier it gets. Trust me. You guys will all, and you're going to learn it a lot faster than me. I might seem smart over here, but I've been watching these stocks for 3 years, and it's taken me a long time. I'm a very slow learner. You guys will most likely get this a lot faster than me. But ATAI, it was easier to call that just because of, understanding that FCFC was where everyone was when they left there, and that's faded on off. And you can look at the time differentials as well. When ATAI started taking on off, around 9:45, and that's when FCFC was starting to sell on off. All right, traders. So 14 minutes till the market opens on up. I'm glad no one else has donated, actually, because I said I would take a shot, and there's nothing on my stomach. So that would not be a fun video today. It might for you guys. Any questions before we wrap up today? My email's right there. Hit me up if you have any questions. Love to help you guys out. If you need any help, reach out too if you just need help, with your personal trading journey. It can be a desolate road. Don't isolate yourself. Don't go down it alone. It can be very depressing at times. Whatever you guys need. Any questions before we wrap up the trading day? You also, keep NM on watch. NM's coming right up to $5 right here. I'll pull that up for you guys. It's very thin name, but getting overextended, coming right up to that 200 day at $5. I've been watching that one as well. Really thin, really thin. It's not really tradable right now. Volatility. Whatever, man. All right, I'll be right back. Oh, Lord have mercy. You pissed me off, Tim. This video is getting deleted, by the way. All right. Ugh, I didn't have anything good either. So this is not going to be fun. All right. Stop it. All right, time to get serious. If I blow my account up today, Tim, I'm driving to your house. All right. Okay, so AT&T traders, that's going to be my main focus out of the gates. This is ridiculous. You guys hear my cat? Yeah. Hey, if these streams are profitable, I'm all about doing them. Making $8. Shoot. If you guys are throwing ones at me, I'll keep doing these streams. Make Yahala. Man, that was not a good idea. Keep my wrist very tight today, okay? Gonna keep my wrist very tight today. Corey Mitchell, what's going on, man? Good to see ya. Jay Towers, no food. Yeah, he's gonna puke. Lightweight. Yeah, I am a lightweight. Here comes the water now. Show the bottle. Yeah, it was vodka. Garage Day Trade, I ran out of the Elijah Craig, which is really good. I appreciate that. I need to go get some more. So all I had was some cheap stuff. All right. So traders, 7 minutes till the market opens on up this morning. Any questions at all before we get on out of here and skedaddle? Dude, garage day trade. I'm not kidding, man. I'm willing to do it. Be way too much fun. Not even kidding. And Jay Towers, yeah, right, dude. Right when I clicked the stream button, I popped out the chat and saw a dislike. I was like, what? What am I doing? If I don't get any likes for taking a shot, come on now. If this is my first red day, Tim, I'm driving to your house. When I go see GDT next month, we'll be taking our golf clubs and heading to your place. Yeah, this video is getting deleted right away, though. I'm not going to have someone go out there and edit a clip of me taking a shot in pre-market. So I hope that was fun. I like to have fun, though, traders. I like to have fun. And, you know, I used to trade super heavy size, and I would be like, literally, my blood pressure would be to the roof in pre-market right now. It'd be ridiculous. I'd take it out on my cat. You know, I have many sources of income, so I like to take trading easy. It just, you know, it keeps me very relaxed, my emotions in check. If I can make $50 a day, I'm certainly happy. and really focusing on my consistency as well. And it's really important to never think you're above messing up or blowing up an account. Never think you're above it. Always keep yourself in check. We all are very capable of it. All right. So, guys, 1 minute left. Any questions? Gonna wrap up the video. Hit me up if you guys have any questions at all. And I guess we'll do the live stream again tomorrow. Shoot. Why not? Hit that like button if you want me to do the live stream again tomorrow. Fun is good, Jay. You're right. And Jay Towers, yeah, in my video, y'all are gonna see me like eating food like a freaking Rottweiler in my video today. Man. All right, traders. I love you guys. We'll see you tomorrow morning, bright and early. So trade well today. Predefine that risk, traders. We will see you all then. All right, guys. Talk to you soon.